A new year brings with it a whole host of new hairstyles and hair trends just waiting to be experimented with. We asked the UK's top hairstylists and colorists to find out what they predict will be the biggest hair trends of 2018. So, before going to the next discussion, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Nirvana Blonde. If you're going to dye your hair one color this year, make it Nirvana Blonde. Hairstylists Nikki Lee and Rihanna Capri dubbed the soft platinum hue they gave to Selena Gomez after the legendary Kurt Cobain. 9. The Boyish Bang. At Moschino, Prada, Fendi, and Tom Ford, models stormed the runways in faux cuts and choppy bangs that had a decidedly boyish quality to them. '8. Bubble Up. Leave it to Rihanna to dream up one of the coolest hairstyles for 2018. Wrapped in sections and tied at random, the string created perfectly imperfect bubbled sections along the length of the tail. 7. Wavy Fang. Take a cue from Victoria's Secret Angel Taylor Hill and try a messy, choppy fringe paired with your long natural hair texture. '6. Loud and Clear. If you pick up one hair accessory this season, make it something acrylic. At Chanel, models wore clear plastic tubes fastened over their low ponytails. 5. Double barrette. All hair types and textures can try this trend. 2 barrettes of your choice fastened parallel just above each temple. We love the gold ones at the Versace show, but a classic bobby pin done in a metallic finish works just as well. 4. Going retro. For haircut and style inspiration in the coming year, you should look 2 years past. Ends are rolled under or flipped out, and cuts are blunter than ever. 3. Go big. If you have natural curls or texture, don't just wear them, flaunt them. One of the biggest beauty moments of last year was Yuzo Aduba's fantastic voluminous curls. 2. Return of the Scrunchie. In 2018, it's safe to say the polarizing accessory is back for good. The 2018 version should be worn and fastened with purpose and done in a luxe finish like silk or velvet. 1. Braids are back. Braids of all kinds have made a comeback on the runway, including 4-strand and fishtail. Our favorite way to wear the trend? A long, low, and loose fishtail, like the one at the Chanel Hamburg pre-fall show. Finish it off with a glitzy accessory fastened right at the nape. With that kind of styling, nobody could accuse you of wearing a 2010 boho braid.